From the moment we begin working, we are taught to see our career as a ladder. Each rung is a promotion, a new title, a bigger paycheck. The promise is simple. If you keep climbing, life will keep getting better. The higher you go, the more fulfilled you will feel. This vision is powerful because it offers clarity in a world of uncertainty. A ladder has direction. It has order. It gives you something concrete to aim for. And in the early years of a career, climbing really does feel like progress. The first raise feels exciting. The first title brings pride. The first corner office feels like proof that the effort was worth it. But hidden inside the ladder is a subtle trap. The structure makes us believe that the only direction worth moving is upward. Lateral moves, pauses, or time spent outside of work do not count as progress. The measure of value becomes how far you have climbed compared to others. And so, we fix our eyes on the next rung. Always the next one. The problem is that this focus often blinds us to what is happening around us. The ladder tells us to keep looking up, but rarely to look forward or sideways. While we climb, life moves on in the background. Children grow up, relationships change, health declines quietly. We keep reaching upward, trusting that the view from the top will make the sacrifices worth it. Many people reach for the ladder with genuine hope. They believe the next promotion will finally bring balance. The next title will finally bring respect. The next raise will finally bring peace of mind. The system encourages this belief. Companies reward those who dedicate themselves fully. Society praises those who never stop climbing. The story sounds convincing. But as countless voices from the top have confessed, the promise is not always kept. For many, the ladder turns out not to be a path to fulfillment, but a path to exhaustion. They discover that higher does not always mean happier. Sometimes it only means lonelier, more pressured, and further away from the life they once imagined. The career ladder sells the idea of arrival. Each step promises that when you finally reach the next level, you will feel complete. Psychologists call this the arrival fallacy, the belief that once we achieve a certain goal, happiness will follow. But over and over, research shows that the glow of achievement fades quickly, leaving us searching for the next milestone. This is why so many high achievers confess to a quiet sense of emptiness. The new office, the bigger salary, the fancy title, they bring a moment of pride, but the feeling does not last. Soon the excitement wears off, and all that remains is more responsibility, more pressure, and less time. Instead of satisfaction, there is restlessness. Instead of peace, there is another climb. The hedonic treadmill explains part of this. Humans adapt quickly to new circumstances. What felt extraordinary yesterday becomes ordinary today. That shiny new job becomes just another routine. The thrill of being promoted gives way to the stress of managing more people, handling more emails, and carrying heavier expectations. The latter promises freedom, but each rung often comes with heavier chains. And the cost of this endless climb is high. Time with family gets postponed until later. Health gets neglected in the name of dedication. Friendships fade as work consumes evenings and weekends. Even identity becomes fragile, tied so tightly to career success that any stumble feels like personal failure. The higher people climb, the more they risk falling apart inside. Consider the story of an executive who spent 20 years climbing relentlessly. She earned the titles, the salary, the recognition, but when she looked back, she admitted that she barely remembered the celebrations. What she remembered instead were the birthdays missed, the vacations cancelled, the family moments that slipped away. She had climbed high, but she had no sense of where she was going. This is the hidden illusion of the ladder. It convinces us that up is always better. But up can also mean away. Away from health, away from relationships, away from the parts of life that give us true meaning. Many discover too late that they climbed faithfully, only to realize the ladder was leaning against the wrong wall. If the ladder is an illusion, what does real success look like? The answer is not to reject ambition or stop working. Work can bring purpose, dignity, and even joy. The danger comes when the latter becomes the only story we live by. True success requires a broader view. One alternative is to measure success not only by how high we climb, but by how deep we grow. Depth means investing in relationships, in health, in personal growth. A career can be part of this, but it should not replace it. A balanced life asks not just what we achieve, but also what we sustain along the way. Research on long-term well-being is clear. The happiest and healthiest people are not those who rose highest on the career ladder. They are those who cultivated strong social ties, who had a sense of meaning in their work, and who maintained time for rest and joy. Autonomy, mastery, and purpose matter far more than titles and status. Imagine redefining productivity not as endless climbing, but as building a life where your work supports your values. A parent who leaves the office on time to have dinner with family may be living a more successful life than the executive who stays until midnight. A teacher who finds joy in shaping young minds may be more fulfilled than the manager who cannot remember why they took the role in the first place. Redefining success also means giving yourself permission to step off the ladder when it no longer serves you. Sideways moves, career changes, or choosing less prestige for more freedom are not failures. They are conscious choices to align work with life instead of sacrificing life for work. In the end, success is not about reaching the top. It is about making sure that when you look back, the climb was worth it. It is about knowing that the effort you gave built not only a career, but also a life you are proud to live. So ask yourself, is your ladder leaning against the right wall? Are you climbing toward meaning or away from it? Are you sacrificing the things that matter most for the things that matter least? Because the truth is simple. A career can give you achievements, but only life can give you fulfillment.